A lot of people who own Galaxy S23 Ultra recently, and some of you guys might have experienced this camera lag, or I should say issue on Galaxy S23 Ultra. Because of this issue, one of my viewers returned his Galaxy S23 Ultra yesterday. But here's a fix you can do for the S23 Ultra. Before starting off, consider subscribing to the channel. Now the ones who owned and used Galaxy S23 Ultra, they came across shutter lag on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Other YouTubers also mentioned this, but this only happens because of the new 200 megapixel camera, and S23 Ultra needs some time to process this image. So here's a quick fix. Shout out to Ice Universe for sharing this information. Now what you need to do is go to Galaxy Store and download this new camera assistant app. Now scroll down and you will see capture speed. Here you can see a couple of options: prioritize quality, balance speed and quality, and prioritize speed. And also for the high resolution, same options. Now these options are not just gimmick, but actually works on S23 Ultra. Here we can see how fast the S23 Ultra snap photos. Before it takes about 1 or 2 seconds to take the shot, and now you can snap multiple images in just a couple of seconds. Let me know in the comments. Are you guys happy with the new 200 megapixel camera on S23 Ultra? One thing I want to mention that this will affect your quality of picture. So for speed, you have to compromise on quality, but both ways you get a balance between quality and speed. Also, Samsung gave us 3 shooting modes on S23 Ultra: 200 megapixel, 50 megapixel, and 12 megapixel, all thanks to new pixel binning technology. Along with this new 200 megapixel camera, you get new portrait video mode on S23 Ultra, which can record 4K portrait video. Also, the new 8K video recording at 30 FPS instead of 24 FPS on S22 Ultra. While in my opinion, almost no one would use 8K video, One UI 5.1 on S23 Ultra brings some great results in performance, and you will feel a difference if you are using S22 Ultra previously, as the animations are way better than the previous generation, and also the new light mode makes it even better for you to save battery on S23 Ultra. If you are lucky enough, you already have your Galaxy S23 Ultra if you pre-order it on time, and if you haven't, then some of you guys might see your devices get delayed. As per some user reporting, they are getting mails on delayed delivery on the pre-orders of Galaxy S23 Ultra, even going from 16th of Feb estimated to first week of March. If you guys want to see the Galaxy S23 Ultra battery life, then make sure to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.